Stop by and take a look at the 2011 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, traction control, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, steering wheel controls, cruise control, climate control, console, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.